on the golden period of Islam, we can find that among the companions of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there were many companions who learned the modern knowledge. You can see the biography of Hazrat Umar ibn Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu, who is the first person who has laid the principle of governance, how the people be ruled, how we can deliver the justice, how we can manage the people's affairs, how we can administer the government. If you see or if you read the whole life of Umar ibn Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu as it is compiled by Allama Shibli Nomani and Farooq, you can come to know that Umar ibn Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu was such a caliph who has given a lot to the modern world.